Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel again. So in this video today I'm going to be doing a blue smoky eye makeup. So let's just get on with the video. So first of all, I am doing my skin prep and my primer on my skin. Moving on to my eyelids, putting the concealer on both of the sides, blending it nicely, giving the eyebrows a nice shape, and then just putting the translucent powder on just to set it. Okay, so my lips were feeling a bit dry, so I just thought might as well just put some lip balm on, and then I can take it off and I move on to the lips. So I'm going in with the big blending brush, putting a very nude. So I mixed two colors for my transition shade. As I mixed a nude and a very light brown color for my transition shade, and I'm just blending it onto my crease, just taking it a little bit higher up. Next, I'm going in with a smaller blending brush and packing the blue color on, just like this, just in my eye socket, and just wiggling my brush, building up the coverage and just going in the round motions. And I'm gonna do that until I'm happy with the color. So I'm gonna do that again on the other eye as well, again with the same motion with the brush, a wiggly motion and round motion. I'm going in and building up the color, going back in with the first shade to make sure everything is blended out, and putting a little bit of more of that shade just to get rid of the harsh line. So next up, I went in with the dark blue shade on my eyelid, full eyelid, and I'm going up to my socket, just where my socket starts. So I'm just going to put that blue color, and again I'm going back in with the light blue shade, making sure that everything just blend it out, because I don't want just a harsh lines. So I'm just going in with the blue shade. So now I'm here going in with just making sure that blue is everywhere. As you can see, I keep going back in with my brushes just to make sure everything just looks nice and blended. I'm just doing that again on both on my second eye, as you can see, repeating the same steps on this side as well. And now the final step is putting the shimmer on. So I've just taken my finger and just putting the shimmer on top on my full lid, and just getting rid of all the fallout. And I've taken a very small flat brush just to give it that nice shape, shimmered a nice shape. So again doing the same with the other eye as well, and getting rid of all the fallout, and just making sure that everything is just nice and blended on both eyes. So under eyes were a mess. I'm just cleaning that with my micellar water. I'm just blending my concealer, just making sure that everything is just my under eyes are very bad dark circles, so I'm just hiding my dark circles. And next up is the under eyes. So for the under eyes, I just mimic the top eye to my lower lid. So the very dark shade I took, the blue color, I'm just using that, and with the same brush, after cleaning it, I've taken a light blue, and I'm just blending that just now on both of the eyes. I'm going to repeat the same process, and then at the very end taking a big round brush and just taking a little bit of brown shade on that and just smoking it out, not too much, just very little. So I'm just putting some black eyeliner on my lower and upper lash line. This is how the eyes are looking. So I'm just doing my blush. I don't know what's happened to my video, so I'm just doing my blush here just now. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. So I am now going to do my mascara. I had already done one eye prior, so I'm doing the other eye. I've just literally just taken one coat, dipping it in once, and you will see a difference. This mascara is from Maybelline and it's really good. You just need to be very careful. And this is the whole look, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. I really like this, a blue smoky eye with some shimmer on the lids. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you do give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon so whenever I post you get notified, and also let me know what you guys think of this look. Thank you.